Hi students, hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. This is time for revision and the topic for the revision is reading comprehension. As you know already that first we need to read the text 3 times and then answer the following questions. So here I am going to read the text for the first time. Then you will have to read rest of the 2 times. After that you will answer the questions. So here we go. James went to the hospital. He saw an ambulance. The ambulance was big. Now you have to give the answers of the following questions. The first one is James went to dash. The options are the bank, the hospital, the playground. So the correct options is the hospitals. Yes. Now next he saw dash. Now you have to tell me an ambulance, a police car, a truck. And the last one is the ambulance was tall, little, big. So these are the options and you have to tell me the correct answer. Now read the text again and solve it on your own. Bye. See you next time and don't forget to stay safe.